Hello and welcome to another update video about Quant. Here, Quant is heading down lower. That was the expectation in the last video, and just want to repeat again that as long as we stay below this wave 4 low at $110, the focus is on lower. Now we can actually define a level where already probabilities start to shift. So if we break above the 78.6 retracement, basically $108.16 roughly, yeah. So if we get a sustained break above $108, it might very well be that a low is already in. That might be the very first warning for you. But until then, you know, we are below the trend line. We are following a channel. I could draw a channel here. We're following a channel to the downside. The elite wave count is nearly complete. It basically looks very complete now. So we might not get into the green area. I did warn you about that. But I think it all will be decided at the $100 level. So we may reach $100 because it's such an important support. We also had previous structural support, but it's also a psychological support level, so quite relevant. And I think if we break below that, that can send us into the green box, which starts at $94. But there is definitely a chance that we're holding that level because the sell-off has been very slow, really slow. And yeah, I mean, it depends. You know, if Bitcoin really makes another low and comes down to roughly 25K, then I think we will see that here as well. But it's really been slow. But at the moment, certainly no low is in. At least we have no indication a low is in. And again, a very first indication that it bottomed would be probably a break of the trend line and then a rally above $108. But overall, from a structural point of view, you know, it looks nearly complete. A wave done, B wave done. It would just be good in a C wave to see the price to go below the A wave low. And that's at $94. And that is why the support range, the long-term support here, starts at $94. It goes down to 62. But there is another area of Fibonacci confluence, basically for targets around the $80 level. But besides that, there is not much more to add. If we zoom in a little bit here, from an indicator point of view, you can see that we are now making lower lows here. Yeah, but the indicator is making a slightly higher low. That's the 4-hour. But the 4-hour RSI is still in the bearish range below 50. And the MACD is also still increasing in negative momentum. So I have no indication that a bottom has been made. The daily as well, pushing further lower, as you can see. Certainly, let's just make that a bit clearer here. While we make a bullish divergence on the MACD, negative momentum is still increasing, and also the RSI on the daily. Also here, while can we now see a bullish divergence? Yeah, possibly. Depends on how low that low goes, but you know. But again, even if you see bullish divergence, price always needs to follow through. This is only an indicator, and we do have still a bearish crossover, and we are still in the bearish range. I think hitting the 30 level might be an indication that a low is in, or at least that we get some kind of a stronger bounce as we had it here. That was on the 9th of March, 10th of March, and here in November. Yeah, those were the last two times where we were really oversold, and it allows price to really get a decent bounce of the lows. But until then, we need to be patient. We need to have the mindset prices going down lower until we see an impulsive reversal. And yeah, I will keep you updated. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, please check out the channel membership. Also, please make sure you follow us on Instagram and Twitter. Here we publish additional content that you don't find on our YouTube channel. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.